OFX, previously known as OzForex, is an Australian online foreign exchange and payments company with headquarters in Sydney. The company provides money transfer services to Travelex, MoneyGram, Xero, Capital One 360 and Macquarie International Money Transfers, as well as individuals. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of registering for OFX. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the app OFX. After that, you'll be able to see this interface. Now tap on the option Register. To register, you first have to select the country you live in. After that, select the state. Now you'll be asked for your email address. Enter your email address and then create a password for your account. Once you have created a secure password, select the security question and then answer it. After that, click on Continue. Now you'll be asked for some more details. Select your title, enter your first name, middle name. You can skip it if you don't have a middle name because this is optional. Then your last name, select your date of birth, and then enter your mobile number. Once you have done that, enter your home address and driver's license number. Entering driver's license number is also optional, so you can skip this. After that, select your nationality and occupation. Once you have filled in all the details, you need to follow the further instructions that will be provided to you. Finally, you'll be able to register for OFX. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.